Good morning, students. Now, today we going to discuss the subtopic of chapter first. Who will provide the labor? Now, look at the picture 1.6. Work on the field, wheat crops, plowing by bullock carts, sowing, spraying of insecticides. ठीक है, ये वर्क हो रहा है, प्लो हो रहा है, देन spraying of insecticide, cultivation by traditional method, okay, cultivation by traditional method, and cultivation by modern method, and cutting of crop. In the picture 1.5, can you state the land cultivated by the small farmer? Why do so many families of farmer cultivate such small plots of land? Because already the small plots of land, when distributed amongst the children of the farmer, no doubt the size of land reducing every time. Now, cultivated area, number of farmer, marginal or small farmer less than 2 hectare, their population is 44.60%, and number of farmer who hold large farming area more than 2 hectare, their population is 15%. Now, who will provide the labor? After land, labor is the next necessary factor for production. Okay, suppose Pratham have their own land, no doubt he also wants labor for the basic requirement. Farming require a great deal of hard work. Okay, farming required a great deal of hard work. A small farmer along with their families cultivated their own field. Yes, those farmers who have own a land less than 2 hectare, no doubt they never use any laborer in their field because their family member is enough for प्रोवाइडिंग देयर लेबरिंग स्किल. कह रहा है कि परिवार के लोग ही काफी ज्यादा होते हैं कि वो अपनी लेबरिंग स्किल प्रोवाइड कर सके, सो दे नेवर नीड एनी labor. Small farmer along with their families cultivated their own field, thus they provide the labor required for farming themselves. Medium and large farmer hire farm labor to work on their field. So medium and large farmer, they need laborers to work on their field. Farm labor come either from landless families or families cultivating small plots of land. Unlike farmer, farm labor do not have right over the turn the page. Farm laborers do not have the right over the crop grown on land. सही है, कह रहा है कि no they have not any rights to grow क्रॉप्स इन देयर लैंड. जो फार्मर कहेगा, जो हायर जिसने इनको हायर किया, जो ऐसा कहेगा वैसा ही करना पड़ेगा. इंस्टीड दे आर पेड वेजेस बाय द फार्मर फॉर हुम दे वर्क. वेजेस कैन बी इन द कैश और इन काइंड. एग्जाम्पल क्रॉप देखो, land laborers get wages in two form. Either they get these wages in the form of cash, or either they get this wages in the form of grain. For example, wheat, paddy, vegetables, fruits, and other things. Sometime laborer get meals also. Sometime laborer get meals also. Wages vary. Wages vary widely from region to region. No doubt wages is also different according to the area, from one farm activity to another. Like sowing and harvesting, there is also wide variation in the duration of employment. कह रहा है कि no doubt duration of employment is also differ. Some labor get more time of work, or some laborers get less time of work. For example, the laborer who engaged in sugar cane crop or tea crops, they get much more laboring days in comparison of those labor who work in wheat crops or paddy crops. Any doubt? Any doubt, students? Any doubt? Okay. Labor might be employed on the daily basis. Yes. they have कह रहा है कि the owner of land hired the laborers on two bases, either the daily basis or for a particular whole year or season basis, कि जैसे एक सीजन के लिए उसको हायर कर लिया. डाला इज अ landless farm labor who work on daily wages in Palampur. This means he must regularly look for work. The minimum wages from a farm labor set by the government is rupees 115. कह रहा है जो मिनिमम लेबर था जो सेट बाय गवर्नमेंट इन ईयर 2011 is 115, but Dala get only rupees 80, but he get rupees 80 only. There is heavy competition for work among the farm labor. So why Dala agree to work on less wages? Because there is a stiff competition of laborers in Palampur. Suppose if he refused to work on 80 rupees, no doubt owner get other person who is ready to work on the same price, तो इसलिए उसने हाँ कर दिया. For work among the farm labor in Palampur, so people agree to work for lower wages. Dala complain about his situation to Ram Kali, who is another farm labor. Now we are going to discuss the क्या बोलते हैं उसको dialogues between Ramkali and Dala. Both Dala and Ramkali are among the poorest people in the village. Both are the poorest people on the village. Now move on the previous page. It is difficult to find work these days. Now Dala complaining about the situation. It is difficult to find work these days. Only the large farmer hire us. एंड दैट टू फॉर वेरी लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ डेज. कह रहा है कि ओनली द लार्ज फार्मर हायर अस or for only less number of days. Ghanshyam, the large farmer, has just brought a harvester. Now Ramkali tell the reason behind this. She said about the reason. Ghanshyam, the large farmer, has just brought a harvester. So we are going to get even less work during the harvest season this year. Last year I worked for less than 5 months in the whole year. कह रही है कि लास्ट ईयर मैंने 5 महीने से भी कम ही वर्क किया था. वी हैव ट्रैक्टर फॉर प्लोइंग, हार्वेस्टर और फॉर हार्वेस्टिंग, थ्रेसर फॉर थ्रेसिंग, even for removing weeds. Some farmer spray weedicides. I of the local money lender for rupees 2000. I had taken rupees 1000 last summer when no work was available in the field. How will I ever? Yes, Karthik. What happened? What happened? I ever repay. अब डाला बता रहा है why he was taking loan from money lender, because he is not get any, because he never get any kind of work, so he required money badly and that's why he taken money from money lender. This year I will have to look for work in the brick making unit in Ramganj. अब रामकली कह रही है suppose if she never get a work in farm laboring areas, so she just try to be work in brick making unit in Raiganj. My situation is not much better. Due to past debt, the money lender refused to give me any loan. अब रामकली कह रही है because the past loan I was not capable to pay, so the money lender refused to pay me the new loan. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? अरे कार्तिक कौन है यार? क्या समस्या हो गई है? Now turn the page. Now the capital needed in farming. What is the meaning of capital here? Meaning of capital? Hmm. The capital needed in farming. You have already seen the modern farming method require a great deal of capital. So the farmer now need more money than before. Most small farmers have to borrow money to arrange for the capital. Yes. Why the most small farmer borrow money? The small farmers need to borrow money to arrange for the capital. For arrange the capital, they borrow from large farmer or the village money lender. What are the sources from which they can get money? So the sources by which they can get money, either they are the money lender or the trader who supply various input for the cultivation. The rate of interest on such loan is very high. So in class 10th you are discussing कि why they are taking loan from money lender, because they have a less paperwork. So government bank not ready to pay money provided loan on the less paperwork. The paperwork which is needed for taking loan is known as collateral. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Collateral. तो due to the less of collateral, so they are not capable to get money from government bank. So that's why they are just taking their loan from money lenders and trader. Savita is a चलो एक स्टोरी है. Savita is a small farmer. She planned to cultivate wheat on her 1 hectare of land. Besides seeds, fertilizer, and pesticides, she need cash to buy water and repair her farm instrument. Okay. She estimated that the working capital itself would cost a minimum of rupees 3,000. She does not have the money, so she decided to borrow from Tejpal Singh, a large farmer. Tejpal Singh agreed to give Savita the loan at an interest rate of 24% for 4 months. It means she has to pay 24% amount for 4 months, which is a very high interest rate. Savita also has to promise to work on his field as a farm labor during the harvest season at rupees 35 per day. If Savita work on other person's land, she get 80 to 90 rupees, but she have to promise to work on Tejpal Singh farm at rupees 35 only on the busy season. As you can tell, this wage is quite low. Savita know that she will have to work very hard to complete harvesting on her own field and then work on the farm labor for Tejpal Singh. It is very difficult situation for Savita. The harvest time is very busy time. Has a mother of 3 children, she has a lot of household responsibilities. Savita agreed to these tough condition as she know getting a loan is difficult for small farmers. So any doubt? So why she is ready to work on Tejpal Singh's farm at rupees 35 rupees only? Because she know that she never get loan from any other sources, and she have to be work hard not only her field but also a Tejpal farm fields. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? कोई समस्या? Any doubt? हेलो? हेलो? बोला तो करो यार. In contrast, in contrast to the small farmer, the medium and large farmer have their own saving from farming. So we can know that a medium farmer and a big farmer or large farmer have a very good situation in comparison of a small farmer. Why? Because they are capable to hire the laborers in their field, and the wages they have to be provided for their laboring is very less in comparison of the wages declared by government. Okay. जो गवर्नमेंट ने जो वेजेस डिक्लेयर किया है उसके मुकाबले बहुत कम है. दे आर thus able to arrange for the capital needed. How this farmer have their own saving? You shall find the answer in the next session. So what are the sources of the saving of the medium and rich farmer? We discuss in next topic. We have read about the three factors of production. Yeah, we know about that. The three factors of the productions are land, labor, and capital, and how they are used in farming. Let us fill in the blank given below. Among the three factors of production, we found that labor is the most abundant factor of production. There are many people who are willing to work as a farm labor in the village, whereas the opportunity of work are limited. They belong to either landless families or or small tillers. They paid low wages and lead a difficult life. In contrast to labor, this is scare factors of production. चलो ये तो कोई इतना जरूरी नहीं है. ठीक है ना. Move on the next. इसमें क्या आ जाएगा? Is moreover even the existing land is distributed unequally, क्योंकि सबके पास land unequally distributed है among the people engaged. Okay. आगे देखते हैं. Wait a minute. चलो आगे देखते हैं. यहां से आ जाओ. सेल ऑफ सरप्लस फार्म प्रोडक्शन. लेट अस सपोज द फार्मर हैव प्रोड्यूस व्हीट ऑन देयर लैंड using three factors of production. Yes, we are discussing above paragraph. The wheat is harvested and production is complete. What do the farmer do with the wheat? Yes, because they are the big farmers, so they can sell the extra surplus production in the nearby market or in town markets, so by which they can get money. The wheat is harvested and production is complete. What do the farmer do with the wheat? Now, what do the farmer do with the wheat? They retain a part of wheat for the family's consumption. Yes, first of all, they can save some fixed wheat for their family needs. Okay, now extra surplus, the retain a part of wheat for the family consumption and sell the surplus. What is the meaning of surplus? Extra. And then extra wheat is sold by farmer in the nearby market. A small farmer like Savita and Govindson have little surplus wheat because their total production is small, and from this is substantial share is kept for their own family needs. So why the families who have hold less than 2 hectare of land cannot get extra surplus production? Because their field is already divided into small areas, so the per production on the single piece of land is very less, so they can not save enough surplus production for selling इन मार्केट. एनी डाउट? इसलिए वो एक्स्ट्रा बचा नहीं पाते हैं. अब आगे देखो. स्मॉल फार्मर्स लाइक सविता एंड गोविंद सन्स हैव लिटिल सरप्लस व्हीट बिकॉज देयर टोटल प्रोडक्शन इज स्मॉल, and from this is a substantial share is kept for their own family need. So it is the medium and large farmer who supply. So it is the medium and large farmer who supply wheat to the market. In picture 1.1, you can see the bullock cart streaming into the market. Yes, हमने देखी थी. Each carrying loads of wheat. The traders of the market buy the wheat and sell it further to shopkeeper in the town and cities. So now So now we know that in the above transaction, middle farmer and large farmer are in very good condition in comparison of small farmers. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Now Tejpal Singh. Now we discuss the story of Tejpal Singh. Tejpal Singh. Tejpal Singh, the large farmer, has surplus of 350 quintal of wheat from all his land. Total कितना quintal हुआ? 350. So 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. So 350 into 100. Total production 35000. Total is 110, 100,000, 10,000, 35,000 क्विंटल. बहुत पैसा मिल जाएगा. मान लो अगर सपोज एक बोरी भी 1 क्विंटल की अगर 2,000 रुपीज में बिक रही है. 35 × 2 10 7. ठीक है ना. तो 7 और 1 2 3 एक 350 है. तो 1 2 हाँ इतनी अर्निंग हो गई. 110 100,000 10,000 लाख. 7 लाख कम होता है ईयरली. तो टोटल इनकम ऑफ तेजपाल इज 7 लाख रुपीज. So 350 quintals of wheat from all his land. He sold the surplus wheat at the Raiganj market and has a good earning. What does Tejpal Singh do with his earning? Yes, it's a big question. How they invest their extra surplus income? Last year, Tejpal Singh had put most of the money in the bank account. Last year, he saved the most of the income in the bank account. Later, he used the saving for lending to farmers like Savita who were in need of loan. And after some time, he invested this money to lend loan of a person like Savita and Dala. ऐसे लोगों को उसने लोन दिया. Like Savita who work in the need of loan. He also used the saving to arrange for working capital. Yes, he also used its saving for the working capital because he have to hired laborers. उसको labor hire करने पड़ते हैं. अब इस साल उसका क्या प्लान है? This year, Tejpal Singh planned to use earning to buy another tractor. Another tractor would increase its fixed capital. If he purchase tractor, no doubt he will be capable to increase his fixed capital. Like Tejpal Singh, other large and medium farmers sell the surplus farm product, a part of earning to saved sorry and a part of earning is saved and kept for buying capital for next season. So now we know that the extra surplus money is used by a big farmer for increasing their wealth. Next year, now in present year, farmer like Tejpal, he just wanted to purchase tractor to increase his fixed capital. He also used his saving money for hiring the person as a laborers. Some farmer might also use the saving to buy cattle. Yes, some farmer use this money to buy cattle, trucks, to set up shop. As we say, as we shall see, this constitutes the capital for non-farm activities. Now, till this paragraph, any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Now, non-farm activities in Palampur. Now, till we are discussing the farm activities, now the non-farm activities. We have learned about farming as the main production activity in Palampur. We shall now take a look of some of the non-farm production activity. Only 25% of the people working in Palampur are engaged in activities other than agriculture. culture. Only 25% peoples of Palampur are engaged in non-farm activities. Okay, the first one is the dairy, the other common activity. Dairy is a common activity in many families of Palampur. People feed their buffaloes on the various kind of grass and the jowar and bajra that grow during the rainy season. Okay, the milk is sold in Rajganj, the nearby large village. Yes, Rajganj is a nearby large village. Rajganj is a neighboring village which is bigger than Palampur. Two traders from Shahapur, two traders from Shahapur town have set up collection cum chilling center at Rajganj. कह रहे हैं दो ट्रेडर्स थे शाहपुर टाउन्स के, उन्होंने कलेक्शन कम चिलिंग सेंटर्स खोला है राजगंज में, from where the milk is transported to the far away towns and cities, and from this chilling center the milk is transported to far away towns and cities. Any doubt? Okay. अब इधर देखते हैं. Let us discuss three farmers, each grown wheat on the field. Though the production is different, see column 2. The consumption of wheat by each farmer is the same. The whole surplus wheat this year is used as capital next year. अब देखो प्रोडक्शन फर्स्ट 100 क्विंटल and consumption 40, तो surplus is 60, तो capital for the next year 60. What about the second year? 120, consumption 40, surplus is 120 minus 40, 80. So capital for the next year 80. इसी तरीके से production 80, consumption 40, surplus 40. Okay, now the look at the third one. If this farmer is capable to produce less in comparison of farmer 1 and farmer 2. Farmer 3 produce less than farmer 1 and 2. How? Farmer 3 produce 60 quintal of grain and consume 40 for their own needs. So what is the surplus? 20. So capital for the next year 20 ton. So any problem? Any problem? Okay. Now an example of small scale manufacturing in Palampur. At present, less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing. Keh raha है, at present 50 peoples are 50% nahi, it's 50 peoples are engaged in manufacturing Palampur. Unlike the manufacturing that take place in big factories in the town and cities, manufacturing in Palampur involve every very simple production method. कह रहा है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पालमपुर इन्वॉल्व वेरी सिंपल प्रोडक्शन मेथड. एक मिनट. वेट अ मिनट. And done on the small scale. They are carried out by mostly a home or in the field with the help of family labor. So in Palampur, many manufacturing is done with the help of with the help of अरे कहाँ गया? with the help of family member. Any doubt?